What's up everyone, Sam here. Today's wine text is Palacio de Primavera Reserva Rioja. If you're wondering why I don't have the bottle in front of me, it's because it's actually not here yet. It got a little delayed, so it'll be here shortly. So things you gotta know about this wine. Right off the bat, I'm gonna tell you straight up, this is a platinum award-winning wine from the Decanter World Wine Awards. What does that mean? They bring all these wines from all around the world into this competition, and then they award out and they rate the wines in a big event held by Decanter themselves. Master Somms, Masters of Wine, they all taste these wines, and then they get an overall grade and an overall performance score on how the wines did. So this is a platinum award-winning wine that also got a ridiculous score that you'll see in the text itself. Again, Rioja, northern central Spain. One of the most collectible styles of wine in the region. Full-bodied, 100% Tempranillo from a single estate-owned vineyard. It's 2015, which was a great vintage in Rioja, and it's a Reserva. So the Reserva, if you remember, we did a couple Riojas in the past. Reserva is the middle of the quality and the aging requirements when it comes to Rioja. So this wine spends 18 months in French oak, which gives it a lot of that kind of vanilla toasty backbone, but it's still decently young, which has a lot of red fruit, a lot of cherries, blackberries, a lot of that kind of big fruitiness up front, but massively full-bodied. Lots of tannins, lots of structure, lots of acidity. This is a classic Spanish wine that goes well with meats. Definitely some heavier chicken dishes. I don't think it'll overwhelm chicken, but definitely fuller bodied meals. This is a great bottle of wine, and maybe one of the coolest ones we've done so far.